Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso in shop. And I came in just for a general tune-up. This machine had a lot of coffee buildup inside of the machine and inside of the spouts. This is the old brew unit, and you can kind of see just from the outside of it, it's pretty, covered in coffee. So we did take the brew unit out, replace it with a new one, deep clean the whole inside of the machine, replace the mechanical valve gasket so it doesn't leak on you, descaled the model, and then also did cleaning detergent through the spouts to make sure that it was nice and clean. Now we're just going to quickly brew a shot. It doesn't have the steam attachment or the hot water attachment, but we're still able to get it descaled. Put this a little far down just so you can see. It's going to start brewing now. It's looking good. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.